Welcome to our tutorial on how to set a YouTube video as not made for kids on your PC. If your content is not intended for children, it's crucial to accurately label your videos. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set a YouTube video as not made for kids. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. In YouTube Studio, navigate to the Content section. Step 3. Select the video for which you want to set the audience and click on Details. Step 4. Under the Audience section, you'll find a checkbox that says No, it's not made for kids. Click on this checkbox to indicate that your video is not targeted towards children. By following these quick and easy steps, you can correctly label your YouTube video as not made for kids on your PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.